Hello everyone, my name is Hao Ming. This is my final presentation. My product is an application which is named Traveler. It is a very comprehensive travel planning application. And this is the overview of my presentation. First of all, I will go through the problem and the solution. And then I will talk about the research and the survey that I have done. After that, I will show the application and the interactive user interface. The problem is about the travel, and as we know, the travel is a very enjoyable thing, but most people don't have an effective trip every time. There are often many problems and steps in the travel, such as the booking things, the hotel booking and the air tickets booking, and the change currencies. So people often lose their patience in doing these things because there are too many things need to do and pay attention to. So what I want to do is make an application which is more comprehensive, which is a travel application, and it includes all kinds of different functions in it. For example, like the car and Wi-Fi rental and the travel agency parts, and also the currency exchange and the insurance and so on. And also, I want to make a better travel application user interface to make it be more colorful and information. It has a lot of information. And according to the survey that I have done before the design, it shows almost everyone will have a trip every year, and 90% don't know what they should do with the travel planning. And 60% of people always forget some important step when traveling, and 70% of people think that going to different applications to get information about their travel plan is very complicated. So we can see from that people do need an comprehensive application to help them solve these problems. There are also a lot of competitors in the market. The biggest competitor for me is Travelocity. Travelocity is an online travel agency owned by Expedia Group. In addition to the air tickets, the site also permits consumers to book hotel rooms, rental cars, and package vacations. Although it includes some basic booking service, but it is not enough for users in the travel process. And here are other two competitors I chose. One is named Tripod, which is a travel plan application, and it helps people to create the convenient travel plan. And the strength of this app is it can track your information very quickly and clearly. And another is named Triple Air. This is an app for flight booking, and it can analyze more than 20 billion flights every day to provide users detailed information. The strength of it is the quantity and the speed of the flight they provide. Compared to the other travel application in the market, this application has more product and the service. In addition to the reservation parts like the hotel, air tickets, and the vacation, it will also have some special service like the insurance, VIP members, and the Wi-Fi rental, and so on. And finally, this is the application user interface that I made. And it includes the basic homepage, and this is the air tickets reservation page, and this is the customer service page, and this is the schedule making page, and this one is a traveler experience sharing page, and the last one is a user's information page. And I also use Adobe XD to make it be more attractive. And here is the home page set from my application, and you can see this is a search bar, and we have the basic navigation bar here, and this part is the basic function that we have. The reservation parts, the hotel, air tickets, and the tour reservation, some related service like the Airbnb, vacation package, train tickets, bus tickets, and the car rental, and the travel agency or something. And here is some additional and small service that provide like the exchange, like the currency exchange and insurance, visa checking and Wi-Fi rental, and VIP member, and so on. And we go the schedule page, and we can add the schedule to the account, and the apps will recommend some top views and hot plays for user to choose. And here is the traveler experience sharing page, and users can go some different place to find the interesting stuff, and apps also will provide some hot issues based on other travelers' blog and essay, and it also gives some recommendations about some beautiful place and the travel plan. And this is the customer service page, and the little robots just can answer some FAQ question for the users, and based on the question, it can give some recommendation about it, and they say that you can just make a phone call with a human customer service. And the last one is the user's information page, and you can see we have the order information and the payment methods and the schedule history or some records, and we also have the evaluation for your past trips, and some basic payments method here, and some information about your travel and yourself here, like the QR code, history, and the travel record, and some the flight assistant, and so on. And that's it. Thank you.